What's up guys, welcome back and or to the channel. Today we are going to be continuing to work on my 2003 Silverado that I've been working here on the channel. Really trying to go full speed with it and get it done as soon as I can, because as soon as I get some warmer temperatures here, I'm going to start painting it. In the last video I went ahead and we did the box. And since then I've gone ahead and I went ahead and I've done the tailgate, and also I'm just going around, I'm doing a little bit of spot putty like I told you guys. If you're stopping by for the first time, go check out some of my previous videos on the channel to see how we got this truck to its current state. So in today's video guys, we are going to be starting to pull apart the truck. We're going to take the front bumper off, the fenders are coming off. Doors are coming off. I have a new door for the driver's side because it is rotted. It's right down there. That's not going to be going on today, but yeah, the hood is also coming off. And the reason why I'm pulling everything off is because coming up soon here, I am going to have to do the cap corners and rockers, and with doing full rocker panels, you do have to take the doors and the fender off. And you guys saw the box, right? So here we are again with the front fender. Let me show you guys. A little bit of rust here, and it is rotted. Now, where they typically rot down there, it hasn't rotted. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna replace this entire panel or if I'm gonna patch that. Gonna kind of see as I get it off. But yeah, like I said guys, all this is coming off entirely. Not sure how the other fender flare looks on the other side because I've yet to pull it off. Now these doors are coming off because these are full rocker panels guys, so I got to drill all these spot welds out and pull that whole rocker panel off. Now this door, I'm gonna have to kind of see how this wire harness comes out on this door. I'm gonna play around with it. Probably just pulls off underneath that door panel. But I got a new door for this guys, because this one's completely rotted through. I actually picked up 2 back doors, but I only need the one, so this door is just going to be garbage. There's the spare door here, and then on this side is where I have the door that we're going to be using. No rust, no rot whatsoever. But with that being said guys, I'm going to get straight into tearing this truck down. I know quite a few things do have to come apart in the front end here to get these front fenders off. I believe the headlights, the grille. I'm not really sure if the battery has to remove, but I'm pretty sure that there is quite a few things that you do have to remove to get that fender out. Let's just get straight into tearing this truck down. So when removing these headlights, honestly, with cars these days, they make it so difficult for no reason. Just look how easy it is to remove this headlight. Look, simple, easy does it. And the bottom one just pops out. On some of these cars these days, you gotta, unbolt the windshield washer fluid, unbolt the grille, loosen the bumper, unbolt the inner plastic liner. It's like a 5-hour job just to get to your headlight bulb. It's absolutely ridiculous. Your GM, just one pin, absolutely amazing. Alright guys, so I got that ridiculously heavy door off. Now what I try to do is, with all these bolts that I take out, I'll try to put them either back in where they came from, or like on the door where it also has where these two 10mm bolts go on the hinges, I put them back in. And then pretty much for everything else, I just line everything up to the side. So that's going to be for the bumper, that's going to be for the hood. And what I'll do is, since I'm working in such a smaller space, I'll take everything and I'll put them into individual Ziploc bags. I will label them on the front of the Ziploc bag just so nothing goes missing. But as for this fender, not sure. I'm going to try to take out that bolt, that bolt. There's a couple bolts in there. I don't think the hinge has to remove. I don't know what's going on with this. This is not the first time I've seen somebody talk about these hinges being loose. This one primarily being the one that's more loose. So I'll look into that when I take off the fender. But yeah, let's try and get this thing off. Alright guys, so pretty much that fender has seen better days. Probably I'm looking at getting a new battery tray for the truck as well. A lot of cleanup to do underneath the hood of this car. I'm actually amazed at how much rust there is underneath the hood. I didn't think there was going to be as much, but it's not a big deal whatsoever. Just going to clean it up. We'll probably won't do that in today's video. I'll just reorganize everything a little bit better, and I'll be able to put the battery tray back in because we are going to need the battery to start the truck and bring it in and out of the garage. But looking good so far.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
Hey, so if any of you guys do car audio and you're watching this video, can somebody please tell me why they ran this 20-foot, they ran this cable down the kick panel into the back here, and it was just sitting back there. Does this go to a subwoofer or something? I'm not too good with car audio. All I do know is that it's coming out of this passenger side panel, and you know, obviously it's going to the speaker in there. I'm just curious as to why. So if any of you guys know or have any information on that, please just drop a comment down below, and I'll read the comment and I'll see if I can figure this whole thing out. The big reveal. Is it rusted or is it not? Oh my gosh. I absolutely cannot win. I cannot win. Like, this one is not rotted on the inside, but it's rotted on the outside. Oh, beautiful. Perfect. There you go. Oh yeah, nice. There you go, a little bit of touch-up paint and good to go. That is just... Oh, guys. Well, guess it's gonna be looking like I'm looking for 2 new fenders, not 1. Ah, guys. My head is starting to hurt. I was really hoping I was gonna get 1 body panel on this truck that was rusted, and clearly that is absolutely not the case. She's really rusty. Well, I guess, you know, if you're gonna do 1 fender, might as well do the other fender, and if the doors are rust free, I I mean, they weren't all rust free, so I replaced the driver's door already. I bought an extra passenger door, new front fenders, welded new pieces on the box. I mean, at the end of the day, I guess I am gonna have a rust free truck here. Oh guys, let's rip off this fender. But yeah, overall, what do you guys think? The whole truck is apart. Maybe it's a good time to start doing some front end work. Not sure. Definitely a good time to start cutting out these cab corners and rocker panels. We're going to be doing that very, very soon here. We're going to be coming in and we're going to be cutting here and taking all this out. And there's the new panels up there, guys. I'm really excited to do that. And with those being cut out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scuff down this whole entire frame all the way, and we're going to get in there and we are going to paint it. I'm going to try and see how much I can do here in the front end. I want to get new shocks here, and I don't exactly know if this shock mount was made or it's aftermarket, but not too keen on the way it mounts right there. But yeah, lots and lots of stuff to do. I just think it looks so funny and so cool with no box and no cab. Also, another thing is taking a good look at this carpet today with all the doors open. You know, gives it a little bit of extra light. When looking at it today, I figured to go ahead and I'll just order a new carpet. So I'll get that ordered very, very soon. And then once the truck's painted, or before the doors go back on, actually, I'm not sure, one or the other. It doesn't matter, regardless. I'll get a carpet ordered soon and I will be installing it sometime here in the near future, and that'll really get the interior to pop and make it look fresh again. So with that all being said, guys, I have a lot of cleanup to do. And not only cleanup, I have to figure out where I'm going to put everything, since I'm in such a, you know, a small garage. I got doors over here, you know, I got the box behind me, I got a bumper on the other side, I got the hood, I got this door right here. So definitely going to be a little bit of a challenge trying to put everything out of the way where I can still work, but I'll definitely be able to do it for sure. So thank you guys for tuning in today and watching today's video. Definitely more stuff coming very, very soon. Thank you guys for stopping by and tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the content you guys are seeing, hit that subscribe button. And if you guys want to, hit that bell notification button. And what that does, guys, it lets you guys know right away as soon as I post a video, and then you guys can come over and watch it. But thank you guys as always for stopping in and watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.